Welcome back, guys. Sick S10s. Today on my 82 S10 V8, I'm doing the front steering on all of it, the center link, inner, outer tie rods, and the idle arm. I'm gonna get the camera all set up so you guys can watch me tear it down and enjoy. now that I have everything torn out from underneath the truck, I got it laid out here on the ground, and then also opened up all the new boxes and new parts and laid them out. And I don't know if the package didn't send to, or I'm supposed to order to, but I only got one of those hardware connecting sleeves. So the other one I don't have. So I got everything laid out here. Here's the old stuff right there. And then the new stuff. So I'm going to have to get on Rock Auto and order another sleeve before I can get all this put back together. But I'm going to at least assemble the tie rods to the length that these are, take these ones apart, and not like take them apart, but measure from one side to the other side, so I get my measurement so I can put these ones together from that side to that side. I can connect that one together, I guess, but that one's gonna have to wait. Well, I guess I might as well just wait on both of them. There's really no point to do one and have to wait to do the other, so I think this is where this video is going to stop, because I don't have that other sleeve and can't really do much more. I mean, I guess I can continue tearing apart the front end by cutting the top rivets for the upper ball joints out, and I got my air hammer with me so I can just air hammer them out. They're old rivets, and then I went out and bought a ball joint press so I can get the lower ball joints pressed out. But I might actually wait to do those too when I get these parts, so I just get it all done all at once. I like to do everything all nice and once. I don't like to do a little bit here and then wait, and then do a little bit there and wait. I like to just get it all done all at one time. So I hope everyone is liking the videos. I'm trying to spice up my editing just a little bit more by adding little tings and pings and stuff around and words, and hopefully get this music will go good with kind of my style with the S10. So make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, and I eventually gotta go to some fabric shops because my bagged S10, I think I want to do a lace paint job on the roof. My good friend Wallace said that he would definitely give me a hand because his is looking beautiful, and I mean beautiful. He's got skull lace on the roof of his Mazda. I mean, it's nasty. When he gets it done and out driving it, I'll definitely take a few videos of it so you guys can check it out, and let me and him let us know what you guys think of his work. And he's not a professional painter. Didn't go to school for no painting or nothing like that. He's just self-taught. But I hope everyone has a good day. I'm gonna go back inside and relax for the rest of my Sunday. Get a little bite to eat and just enjoy. See you guys later.